The Lasiocyano, also known as the Chile blue tarantula, is one of the most visually stunning and sought-after species in the tarantula hobby. Native to Chile, the species is admired for its striking iridescent blue coloration, relatively manageable size, and fascinating behaviors. However, while its appearance is undoubtedly captivating, understanding the temperament of a Lasiocyano is crucial for anyone considering this tarantula as a pet. Their temperament is a mix of calm observation, defensive posturing, and a strong connection to their burrowing instincts. 1. General temperament overview. The Lasiocyano is generally considered moderately defensive. Unlike some tarantula species that are highly aggressive or prone to biting, Lasiocyano tarantulas exhibit a cautious and deliberate approach to threats. Defensive nature. When feeling threatened, they may adopt a defensive posture by raising their front legs and displaying their fangs. This is primarily a warning mechanism rather than an immediate intention to bite. Avoidance behavior. Lasiocyano tarantulas prefer to retreat rather than engage in confrontation. If provided with hiding spaces in captivity, they will often choose to burrow or hide rather than display aggression. Individual differences. As with many tarantulas, temperament can vary among individuals. While some may be relatively calm and easygoing, others may be more skittish or defensive, particularly during molting or if they feel their burrow is threatened. 2. Burrowing and habitat behavior. One of the most defining aspects of Lasiocyano behavior is their fossile lifestyle. These tarantulas spend most of their lives underground in burrows, which significantly influences their temperament. Fossorial nature. Lasiocyano tarantulas naturally dig deep burrows in the wild, which serve as a safe haven from predators and extreme environmental conditions. This preference for burrowing means they often exhibit territorial behavior regarding their homes. Territorial reactions. Disturbing their burrow can trigger defensive displays. Tarantulas may rear up, flick hairs, urticating setae in some species, or retreat deeper into the substrate. Silk-lined burrows. They line their burrows with silk, which not only reinforces the structure but also serves as a sensory tool to detect vibrations. This enhances their awareness of prey or potential threats. 3. Feeding and hunting behavior. The feeding behavior of Lasiocyano tarantulas also reflects their temperament. They are opportunistic predators that rely on stealth and patience rather than speed or aggression. Ambush predators. Lasiocyano tarantulas often remain near the entrance of their burrows, waiting for prey to pass by before striking. The strategy emphasizes patience and calculated action rather than impulsive attacks. Dietary habits. Their diet primarily consists of insects and other small invertebrates, although in captivity they will accept crickets, roaches, and mealworms. Response to food. While they are effective hunters, they can be cautious when approaching unfamiliar food items, especially juveniles. Over time, adults typically become more confident during feeding. Activity patterns. Lasiocyano tarantulas are primarily nocturnal, which also informs their overall temperament. Nighttime activity. They are most active during the night, exploring their surroundings or hunting. This nocturnal pattern reflects a naturally cautious and stealthy behavior. Daytime behavior. During the day, they remain in their burrows or hidden under substrate, showing a reserved and shy temperament. Captivity considerations. Hobbyists should avoid handling them frequently, particularly during daytime inactivity, to reduce stress. Observing their nighttime behavior can provide the most insight into their natural temperament. 5. Handling and pet considerations. When it comes to keeping Lasiocyano tarantulas as pets, understanding their temperament is crucial for safe and responsible handling. Handling recommendations. Lasiocyano tarantulas are best admired rather than frequently handled. Their defensive nature means that unnecessary handling can trigger stress and potential defensive bites. Stress indicators. Rapid movements, vibrations, or disturbances near their burrow may cause defensive posturing. Providing deep substrate and secure hides allows them to feel safe. Observation over interaction. Observing their behaviors, such as burrowing, feeding, and nocturnal activities, can be far more rewarding than attempting to interact directly. 6. Unique behavioral traits. Lasiocyano tarantulas exhibit several unique behaviors that make them fascinating to observe. Coloration and defense. Their blue iridescent coloration serves as a warning to predators, enhancing their defensive presence without aggressive actions. Rapid retreat. When threatened, they retreat quickly to their burrow, displaying a combination of caution and agility. Vibration sensitivity. Silk-lined burrows allow them to detect subtle vibrations, giving them advanced warning of nearby prey or threats. The temperament of a Lasiocyano tarantula reflects a balance of caution, defensive instinct, and fascinating predatory behavior. They are not excessively aggressive, but are not entirely docile either, making them best suited for hobbyists with some experience. Understanding their nocturnal habits, burrowing tendencies, and cautious nature ensures safe and enjoyable observation in captivity. With proper care and respect for their natural instincts, Lasiocyano tarantulas can be an engaging and rewarding species to study, offering a glimpse into the unique behaviors and temperament of South America's striking tarantulas.